Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Mr.π, and today we are trying to solve this question. So what we are given here is a parrot, a man, and the combined height is given. Similarly, the height of the man excluding the height of the parrot is given here, and we have to find the height of parrot. So this question is quite simple, and you can solve it by simply using equations. So assuming the height, let the height of man be x. Similarly, let the height of the parrot by by. Now we can see that this is x, this y, so the sum of both the heights is 200 centimeters. So x plus y is equal to 200 centimeters, and the the total height is x and this is y. So you can see that the y is being subtracted from x, which will give a total of 170. So x minus y is equal to 170. So now let's try to solve it for the value of for the value of y. So if we just add these two equations, we will get 370 equals to we'll get 2x. So we'll get 370 x equals to 370 upon 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 12 is 10. So we'll get the height of the man to be 185 centimeters, and finally 185, then the height of the parrot will be 15 centimeters. X plus y is 200 and x is 185. So 185 plus y is equal to 200, and hence y is equal to 15 cms. So when we subtract 185 and 15, we will get 170. So you can see that both the equations are fulfilled, and hence this is the answer. So the height of parrot is 15 centimeters. Thank you.